Happy Thursday! One more day until Friday. So, I have to tell you again, I absolutely love this book. In fact, I read it a second time tonight. So, we have a turning point in this story, okay? Isabel kicks the ball into Andrew's backyard. The other kids are like, no, 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 let's go home. The ball can stay there. But Isabel's like, no, I'm going to get the ball. So I love how Isabel is determined to go into the backyard and retrieve her ball, and her brother Nico goes for moral support. I found it very crazy that Isabel was just going to enter these people's home without even knocking, not even, she's like, hi, I'm here. And I found that so crazy because that's not something we would do now. I noticed that when she runs into Andrew is actually very nice and kind of like, okay, like, you're in my house. Like, I love his face expression right here where he's like, what are you doing? But my absolute favorite part is when her brother Nico tells Andrew that his sister thought that he was a monster since he never came out in the daytime. I thought that was hilarious that he said that, but it's true. Isabel had it coming. You can't be spying on people and not think that, they didn't deserve to know the truth. Isabel becomes embarrassed. And of course, Andrew's laughing. I would too. And then his parents come in. He explains the situation. And then we find out that Andrew actually has a condition called xeroderma pigmentosum, where his eyes just can't tolerate, his eyes and skin cannot tolerate the sun. If he's outside, he gets sunburned extremely quickly, and it takes a very long time to heal. So like when you and I get sunburned, it probably lasts, a day or two. In his case, it probably lasts like weeks. And then the resolution of the story was just beautiful. They all became friends. I think that was the perfect ending. So that was what the pages were about. That you are going to get another Google form. You are going to put your first and last name. Select your teacher's name. Again, it's in alphabetical order. I put the glossary if you want to review any words. I included the Plot Mountain so that you could see it. So let's just put the title, Plot Mountain. And today we're focusing on the climax, falling action, and resolution. I also included the pages that you were asked to read for today. I included it. So if you need to go back and look at it at any time. The questions that I included are just on the reading that you were asked to do for today. And the pages are here. You are more than welcome to log into Raz Kids and reread the whole story. So the climax of the story is when the story reaches its peak and the juicy part of the story begins to unfold. What is the climax of the story, Mystery in the Moonlight? And you're going to choose what is the best answer. The following action is when the events lead to the resolution. What is the resolution of the story, Mystery in the Moonlight? Once again, you're going to choose what you think is the best possible choice. The resolution of the story is the conclusion of the story. What is the resolution of the story? And you're going to choose what you think is the best answer. When you are done, you are going to check your work, make sure your name is on it, and you are going to hit submit. Don't forget, guys, to turn in your work. If you're having any trouble, please contact your teacher or you can contact me. I can help. Okay, guys? Okay. Bye. Happy Thursday.